Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel as we continue to explore some of the most fascinating places around the globe. Today we are flying out of Singapore's airport, but before we go, we will visit one of Singapore's top tourist attractions, the Jewel Singapore. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future travel videos. In this video, I'll take you on a virtual tour of this amazing destination located at Changi Airport, with its largest indoor waterfalls, plus great shopping, dining, and entertainment options. So let's go! Our first stop is the iconic Rain Vortex, the top attraction of the Jewel, standing at an impressive 40 meters tall. It is the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Prepare to be amazed by the cascading water and the stunning surroundings. The Jewel is located at Changi Airport between Terminal 1 and Terminal 3, making it easily accessible for both air travelers and locals. To get to the Jewel, you can take a direct MRT train from various locations in Singapore to Changi Airport Station. From there, follow the signs to the Jewel, which is very conveniently connected to the terminals. The Jewel opened its door to the public on April 17, 2019, and it quickly became a prominent landmark and a new addition to Singapore's long list of tourist attractions. The Rain Vortex has quickly become an iconic symbol of Singapore, attracting visitors from all around the world. At night, the Rain Vortex comes alive with a light and sound show, adding a touch of magic to the already inspiring waterfall. You can admire the Rain Vortex from multiple levels of the Jewel, providing different perspective and photo opportunities. In addition to the incredible waterfall, the Jewel offers an amazing shopping experience as it has 280 retail stores, offering diverse range of shopping options from high-end luxury brands to local boutiques and specialty stores. It is also known for its wide range of duty-free shopping, making it an ideal place to shop for tax-free luxury goods, electronics, cosmetics, and more. The Jewel frequently hosts pop-up stores and special events, adding a sense of excitement to the shopping experience. This whole floor was mostly athletic wear with some electronics stores and some restaurants. Next floor was mostly children toys and activities. If you're hungry, the Jewel has got you covered with its wide range of dining options. From awesome local delicacies to international cuisines, there is something that satisfies every taste. That's all for today's tour of the Jewel Singapore. This awesome destination offers a perfect blend of nature, entertainment, and shopping. So whether you are a local looking for a day out or a traveler passing through the airport, make sure to visit the Jewel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on our next adventure. See you in the next one.